Well, welcome back to another day with Nacho Stuff, where we scour the streets for treasures, or scrap. In this case, it's scrap. Hope everyone had a great weekend. As you can see, the truck did not get a bath. I know, the worst. I need to make that happen. Ooh, I had some stuff in here and they're trying to fall through the cracks. Not good. Come on, bro. They're totally stuck in there now. I guess they'll fill the gaps, right? Did not look scrappy, but definitely intrigued me. We got going here. Oh, it's Ryan stuff. The Darth Vader. This is all Ryan World stuff. See this guy here? This is Paw Patrol stuff here. We'll get you guys at least donated, right? Is that the Paw Patrol? She's a little beat up. Don't need no blocks. I don't know what that goes to. That's towels. Blanket. Alright, we'll take Ryan stuff and Paw Patrol stuff. We'll get you guys donated someplace. Some kid would surely love you. Look at this! Not clean, but mildly organized. Let's go. I came back here just because I got to wait to turn. There's cars. Didn't look beautiful, but let's see what we can find. Could be amazing, right? Folding stove, that's metal. Yeah, with a whole bunch of nothing. Ooh, there's some metals. There's a couple more metals. You right there, metal. Okay, and the cars are gone. Oh, last car just went. Perfect timing. Onward. All right, look at this fatty TV. We're big. We'll take them. Let's move everybody up front now that we're hooked up. You can come all the way up here too. You come over there too. Onward, little virgin. That's a score thing for cornhole or something. Let me get it off of there. Come on, get off of there. I don't want you. Is that one wood or? Over there is wood. Thank you. We're gonna get a bit here. Nothing too exciting, I don't think, but we'll take a little Christmas and a printer. This is the kind of stuff I was really expecting to find more of. The broken Christmas stuff. There's some metal in here I'm going to strip out, unfortunately. But it's mostly lights. Empty boxes. Could be a total bust, could be, who knows? I don't even know what this is. It just looks like it's new. Oh, there's a little light. Where are these guys though? Ah, it's laminate. And it's not new, it's just reboxed. They little stinkers. We'll take our consolation prize and move on. Another one of these laundry things, man. I find these on the regular, it seems. This one's pretty light. Anything else? Filters, body pillow, mattress, boxes, negatory. I don't know. There's Christmas plates and office things in here. Yeah. Yankee Candle Company? Ooh, you might be in there. It's actually properly labeled. Seriously? What kind of Christmas plates we got? Ooh, they're a set. I don't think that these are a real thing, though. I don't see any markings on them. Don't want that, don't want that. Any metals in here? This is aluminum though. We'll take you because you're aluminum. Very, very light aluminum at that, but that's okay. Anything? Wheels? Nope, nope. Are you in here, punchable? You are. That's a nice punchable, dude. Come on, man. What is that? A ginger mint. Oh, gosh, what a good thing. Box. What is this? Oh, it's a little, is he broken? No, it's a candy cane. Yeah, it's a, what's it called? A teapot. We gotta come back and get you. Oh. Kind of late to be collecting Christmas stuff, but hey, there's always next year, right? All right, let's go. All right, now we're finding the stuff. Morning. Morning, Mr. Doge. Oosh, come on, baby. Onward. Look at this guy. He's not close. close. No, he closes. Because they want to be able to see them. Looks like a tackle box. Might be a tackle box. We got gear. Come on, let's get a glove on right. Come on, open. Open sesame. Nothing great that side. Let's try the bottom side. Screws. It's a toolbox full of screws. It's missing the front. We'll take you though. Well, I thought these were file cabinets and they're not, but coffee pot is an consolation prize. Whoosh. Ended up being a cabinet made out of wood. No one wants a wood cabinet. Let's go. Man, we haven't had one of these portable chairs in a while. Good to see you, my friend. And a CD player. Jensen. CD, right? Yeah. You know, something tells me that that's worth at least 20 bucks on eBay. I don't know. Something tells me that. We're gonna have to look it up. Get our chair into the trailer. I guess it's the grill kind of day. Ooh, this guy's light. He's just a baby grill. As light as he is, I'm just gonna put him up here. Just pick out like a feather. You're stuck on, brother. Oosh. You're stuck on the wall. Let's go. Not much, but we got some cordage. We're gonna have to update the total today. We're gonna have to turn in what we got here in the trailer. See what kind of number we've amounted to. Well, well, well. First chair of the day. Whoosh. Ooh, this one's got all kind of contraptions on it. So I wasn't having much luck up in my normal stomping ground, so I saw the washing machine when I was at a holiday party this weekend. And so I decided to come up here and see if I could find it, see if it was still available. And this is a Tuesday pickup area. You can tell by the barrels. And people are putting other stuff out too. So I'm guessing, come on, be stainless. What is this, backwards? What? I think the door's on the other side. We'll have to check the inside when we get to the yard. But I'm still hoping I can find that washer and dryer, but I don't know, we'll see. Well, the washer and dryer did not pan out. Someone else done got them. But we'll do a little hunting while we're up here. See if we can make up for the jog. Let's go. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere. I've been looking every place today without much luck. Those are bulbs. I don't want those, but I want these keyboards for the cords. Oh, these wood. Oh, they're wood. That's what I stopped for. Stay. Yeah. Sweet. No, it's got to be metal. Yeah, metal I'm looking for. Or trinket. I mean, like, this isn't really metal, but it's got cords and... Yeah, a little bit. Every little bit counts, though. I'll get you my card. What's that? Yeah, I come through every week. Sometimes I hit it, sometimes I don't, you know. It all depends on who else is out.
Do you scrap it out?
I scrap it, I save some of it. I mean,
yeah.
I save what I can. I mean, I have a person that does TVs, I have a person that does mowers, I have a person that does washers and dryers, so I have them try to save stuff, but all the other stuff predominantly gets scrapped. I mean,
it's nice to see people pick it up. I hate it when the garbage, because they just take it to the landfill.
They the garbage guys actually have, I work with them, they have my number, and when they have something that's worthwhile that they know that I can pick up, they'll leave it behind, and they'll text me an address.
Yeah, I like seeing things at least.
Yeah, it's nice to get it repurposed somehow. Yeah, and if it, as long as it doesn't end in the landfill, it's a good thing. So,
that's right.
But yeah, give me a call anytime. I just live off 419, so even if it's not your large item day, I don't mind swinging by.
Yeah, no, I'll get you some stuff.
Okay, sweet.
Right.
I appreciate you.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
All right, take care. Have a good one.
Well, this is more than we've seen all day, man. This neighborhood actually has 2 stops. That guy probably thinks I'm crazy, singing, "I've been everywhere." But he's gonna get me some scraps. What a nice guy. Oh, man, I have been everywhere, though, trying to find the stuffs. There's no stuffs out today. Kind of stinks. Kind of stinks. You can do it, dude. You got it. You got it. Yep, we're even taking the baby racks today. I don't want all these drawers and things. Oh, you're screwed in there. Even the baby racks today. Whew. Got some bits here, folks. Oh, look at that. They got some faucets taken apart here. Beautiful. Some copper. Look at all this air in here today. This is just horrible. 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 Just horrible. Oh, look at all that copper. Gosh. We'll take it. We'll take it. Dirty brass. That's the good stuff right there. Then you gotta take them off. Sweet. All right, I'm not gonna keep you in for this, but a gentleman flagged me down. He's like, I got a busted gazebo from the hurricane, and he has some patio furniture and some other patio furniture. So he said, you take it apart, it's yours. And as slow as today's been, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna get all of this into there, and I'll see you guys after I'm done. Unfortunately, this whole mess ended up being all steel. And it's still looking pretty, I don't even put these on. I only got time for that. It's still pretty fluffy in here, if you look. Got holes all over the place. That's what happens when you get bulky stuff. But it'll weigh a decent bit, not the payday that aluminum would have been, but we'll take what we can get. It's more than we had. Yes, please. We'll fill some holes with these. What are these? I don't want that, whatever that is. Is this copper? I don't think so. It looks kind of coppery though. But, oh my gosh, that was wet down there. My hands were soaked now. Gross. Let's come back over here to our big hole area. Gross. Well, copper is not magnetic, so that is not copper. Not copper. Oh, I wish it was. Not picking that next one on the bottom like that. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. That probably works. Workforce WF3720. Look that up. $200 guaranteed. Probably works too. But I got too many of those things in my house right now that are supposedly going to turn into money someday. Honestly, we're just trying to kill time before so the yard can open back up again. We'll take it though. Fill every last morsel here. Ow, that was my head. Chair. Ooh, look at that pretty scene. Oh, what we got here? Oh, those are playing things. What kind of toys we got in here? Look at all these pictures, man. Here's another picture. What kind of toys we got in here? There's some dinosaurs on the ground. Some dinos. Some kind of Yoda. And wrestlers. Are those guys worth anything? I don't know. The Mexican wrestler. It's a Buzz Lightyear. That's a wrestler too, right? I don't know. Are these guys worth anything? A whole bunch of wrestlers. I don't know. You guys tell me. Speak louder, I can't hear you. I feel like these wrestlers might be worth something. Sell them in a lot. Massive lot of professional wrestlers. Any more? Here's another guy. Look at these wrestlers, dude. Let's take the wrestlers and go. Oh no, he's trying to escape. I don't know, what are we gonna do with these wrestlers? I don't know, we'll figure it out. A lot of super wrestlers. Starting bid, $1. Is this metal? It is. Oh gosh, we're gonna put this though, it's too big. You might have to fly up front. You got room for something that bulky. Ay, 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 ay. One more of these. You can come, I guess. You can come, you gotta stay. I can't bring you. Okie dokie, where can we hide you? Just throw it up top, man, it'll probably last. Probably will, but just in case. Oh, you don't fit, you're too fat. Uh-oh, it was in our way. Sorry, lady. Sorry, lady. Come on. Okay, you're gonna be like that. I'll make you close. All right, guys. Whoosh. Let's get this unloaded. I'm gonna start putting new stuff onto the car. Because this place is a mess. So much steel. This guy running a little bit of water. What's that? Come on. Come on, baby. Whew. Need to check these. These might be aluminum. Might work too. Oh, come on. Dude, this is the worst flippers. Where's the motor on this thing? Under here? That's the door. Here's the door. Yeah, there's not a very good motor on this. Okay. That's stainless. That we're gonna keep. Let's see if Jeff Wood is dirty on that. This is not stainless, right? Good in there. Where my clip for that Regulator. Oh gosh. Come on. I need a better clipper than these. These are the worst. Oh, I'm stuck in here now. Oh, I need to cut a wire with this. Lizard. Nope. These are my blue-handled ones. These ones should work better. Whoa. Come on. Come on. What are you stuck on now, brother? I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. This is a try and time off. Wire off of that. Come on, wire. Come on, clippers. You strip this down. What are these people doing? Driving circles around a lot here. I'm going to clean that up, get the wires off of there, get out of Dodge. I'll see you over Jeffy's. Let's do some NFJ. I'm shocked. As busy as the backyard was, I can't believe no one else was dropping off non-ferrous. Must be one of them days. Those candy canes? What?
I can fuck off for like a half an hour. Nobody done, but at the moment that I work,
Yeah.
people show up.
Story of your life, right?
Let's talk about it.
You want it?
Yeah. I have to take out. You might be able to tell that.
It's missing the front.
Oh, the clip right here?
Yeah.
It's actually a little drill bit.
Yeah, no, there's screws and stuff in there. It's not, they were using it for a toolbox versus a tackle box.
That's a tap or a die.
Yeah.
I think that's the tap.
Okay.
Big threads.
Ah, a pair of clippers. Nice. Real good.
What are you doing first?
We're probably doing an ornament, right? I don't know, you tell me, Jeff.
That's
Dirty?
the heel, right?
Huh?
How many razors to get them up? One of the things.
That one too. And those ones there. That's pretty cool, right?
This is one.
Yeah, it's in here. It's in here someplace. Probably under the Christmas lights.
No Christmas lights.
Ah, you blocked me!
Oh, that one's good.
What's that?
You even get that out?
Yeah, eventually.
Yeah. Eventually?
I've been pretty bad about it, but yeah, I should. You must have thrown it in there already. I had it. It's a black tube. I don't know, maybe it'll turn up. I picked it up, I grabbed it.
Look at that.
You know, you want it?
I need a big one. Like a Dutch oven type thing.
Yeah, those are the best. A month?
Money-wise, like 1,500, 2,000, roughly, just from this.
I'd probably say 25.
And then YouTube helps out a lot.
I wouldn't say a lot. That definitely helps subsidize.
Subsidize what you're doing.
Yep. Give me my copper, man.
My copper.
Ain't your copper, it's my copper.
Possession is 9/10 of the law.
Oh, lizard. Come on, bro.
What are you going to do with that monkey crap?
This? You're going to take it as dirty stainless.
Or heavy ironing.
Or heavy ironing. Whatever makes you happy, Jeff. Huh? You ready? Where do you want it, on the scale?
Yeah.
Well, there he is. You didn't take this one? What? You're not gonna take this one? You took the other ones? No, I want to get it weighed in. I got to get a new total. I got to get a new total for the peoples. We didn't do one on Friday. We didn't do any on Friday. You ready? Here you go. Here's some fancy lights for your Christmas lights, Jeffy.
So what's the prize if somebody guesses it right?
Whoever guesses right gets to pick something off my Teespring store, like a shirt or a hat or a mug or whatever.
I'm at 347.
What?
I'm at 347.
I think that's right. Yeah, that sounds right. I put it on the video.
Yeah.
What your guess was.
81. Not bad.
It was slight today. I wish those I had 3 sets of, I had a gazebo and 2 patio sets that ended up being all steel. What? Eh?
Well, it's at the bottom of the ball. So
Okay. Done. Good, good? All right, Chief. I'll see you tomorrow. All righty, we're waiting paid. What an interesting day. Man, the streets were bare. We literally searched everywhere, even places we've never been before. One of the reasons I ran up there was my wife had a Christmas party for work over the weekend, and so we drove to that party, and on the way out there was a washer and dryer, and I was like, oh, I want to pick that up. She's like, no. So I was going to pick it up yesterday, but I just never got around to it. So I was kind of hoping it would still be there, but I knew it was going to be gone, but I had to look anyways. And it was gone. But we got a dishwasher wire up there and a couple of tidbits, and it really didn't hurt us too bad because there wasn't much out there until we ran into the one guy that said, come back here and take all my stuffs. We got the gazebo, we got a patio like dining set, we got a patio lounging set. Unfortunately, all of that stuff was steel, but it did help make weight. So let's dive into the receipt here. Tin, 1,140 pounds. So we did get over $1,000, even though it was dismal out there. 5 cents a pound, $57. Irony lights was that one fold-up thing that was aluminum that I broke apart, and a couple other tidbits of basically dirty aluminum. 14 pounds, 20 cents a pound for $2.80. Brass unclean. These are all the fixtures that I picked up that Jeffy grabbed from me. I don't mind turning them in unclean at this point because they're just stacking up, and I'm not breaking them down, so they're just creating havoc at the house. And it's a slow day, so we'll take it. 6 pounds, 70 cents a pound for $20. Insulated computer, where are the Christmas tree lights? 7 pounds, 26 cents a pound, $1.82. Heavy irony was the dishwasher. It was stainless steel on the inside. The door, it's weird. The door wasn't, but the inside was, which is pretty weird. He gave me heavy on that instead of dirty stainless, but we'll take what we can get. It's better than shred. 66 pounds, 15 cents a pound for $9.90. Insulated upper wire, were basically the wires that we turned in from today. We didn't really find too much today besides the couple of printers, and then we turned in the stuff that we had from Friday. 75 cents a pound, 8 pounds, $6. And then the sealed unit, I've been carrying that around for like 3-4 days. And I keep meaning to take the bottom plate off, and then I don't. And Jeff finally said, just throw it in there because we got a new bin and I can bury it. So, gets you an extra pound, I think. 16 pounds, 13 cents a pound. Man, sealed unit is 13 cents a pound. That's horrible. 208 for a grand total of 83.80. So we're about 20 bucks shy. That's where the dishwasher, or that's where the washer and dryer would have come in, man. When I see them, I'm like, that's a $40 bill unless they're just really beat up because I can sell them to my washer and dryer guy. So that's the reason why I made the run. It's a slow day. It would have really given a nice lift to the run, but it was not to be. So I hope you enjoyed it. We did get some knickknacks. We gave those plates to Jill. She was super excited about the ornaments that I gave her on Friday. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but basically I kept forgetting to bring them to her, and so I ran home after getting the kids, and then I brought them back up to her. So she'd have them. I figured that'd be nice. So she had the weekend to decorate. She's like, I decorated my tree and everything matches, and I don't normally have them matching like that. It's great. So she was excited, and that's pretty awesome. So I was glad to do that. So I gave her those Christmas plates. They didn't have any name brand on them, so I don't know that they were anything spectacular. They're just kind of cute little plates, and she'll enjoy them. So we did keep some of the other stuff that we're going to look up and see if there's any winners. I don't think we have anything too crazy. Well, who knows? We'll have to look them up. We'll see what those wrestlers do. I think if you have advice on those wrestlers, let me know. I think I'm just going to put them up as a lot, start them at $1, and let them be what they are, man. As long as I cover my my tail for shipping, then what it is, man. So it'll be interesting to see. They might be worth Nothing, they might be worth something, but I don't know that I'm going to do a lot of research trying to figure out what everything is. I just don't have the time. So there might be some bonus footage, so stay tuned. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. And it's Nacho Stuff! But that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys then. Alright, I was right! We do have bonus footage. Why? Because I have the best subscribers out there. So, we ran up to our P.O. box. There was at least one person that said, hey, I dropped some plates in the mail. But there was two. Our first plates come from Jackie K in Iowa. And what did she send? But an Iowa plate. What else did she send? A little baby Iowa plate. I'm guessing this is a motorcycle tag. I'm not sure. We'll see which one Jeff wants. I'm sure he's going to want the full-size one. But she also sent Illinois. And guess what? She sent a front and a back. So that means Jeff gets one and I get one, and they match. So that's 2 states down. Thank you, Jackie K. And the next one comes, actually had a card, a Christmas card. And it says, Matt and family, best wishes for the holidays and health and happiness throughout the year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Brenda and family. So Brenda also sent me plates. Plates, I say, as in plural. Nevada. South Carolina. And what do you know? Another Iowa. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 new states covered in these batches. Thank you, Brenda and Jackie. It's greatly appreciated. So I think with that, we're down to like, I don't know, 4 states? Maybe 5 states? I'll update you tomorrow. Or I'll update you at the end of this video once I get home and check my list versus what Jeff's given me. Because he wasn't exactly precisely right on the original batch, because I know that Idaho he thought he had and he does not have. So I will double check and I'll throw what we're missing right here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I think we can get there by the end of the year. Because from what I've heard out there and how awesome you guys are, I think we can do it. So again, thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for spending a little time with me. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow.